In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a pair of hand warmers. Check these things out. You know what? Just go over the box here. They have overcharge protection, overheat protection, overcurrent protection, and they have a nice little case here. And you know, let's just take them out of the box and look over. Very nicely presented. I really like this case and how they presented them. You get a little user manual right here that kind of goes over all the instructions on these things, and you get a USB-C cable, and I think that's it. So putting this aside, and they're packaged just like this. I love this case. This is by far one of the best case setups I've ever seen for hand warmers. I like how you charge the case and not each individual hand warmer. So I've got another pair of hand warmers, and each one of them I have to charge down in here, and I've always worried about. So you just charge the whole case. Let me just grab, actually I have a power bank. Let's see how that works. So it goes in right here. Right there, look at that, everybody. It's sitting there and it's charging. So my guess is, you know, it's got the 4 indicator lights that'll go, you know, 25, 50, 75. And what's good about these is you got 2 of them. Wow, that case still just shocks me on how good that case is. I love the compactness of these things. Where these come in handy the most is when you're hunting or when you're kind of like going on long hikes or something. You put these down in your pockets, you put your hands in your pockets, because what happens usually, you don't get a lot, because we don't have a lot of like meat at the end of our hands and fingers. So that's something you really want to be mindful of. And let me just go ahead and turn them on here. I got that one on and that one on. So those are the 2. Both of them, when you turn them on, they go to 1 right there. And I think the 1, actually wow, that's already super warm. Everybody, that feels great right there. So looking over the instructions here, you get, I'm gonna let them go ahead and heat up right there, and then we'll test them. So the battery capacity of each one, or the battery capacity of each hand warmer is 2,000 milliamps, and the battery capacity of this bin is 10,000 milliamps. It takes about 3 hours to charge that up, about 6 hours to charge the bin up. Net weight is 350 grams. Whoa, those are warm. I'm already feeling the difference in that. So the first light right here is 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 108, 109 Fahrenheit to 118, and then number 3 is the max, and I think it'll go up to 119 to 131 on their claimed range right there. I have had this one going for a few minutes, so let's test it out. I have my little IR gun right here. Let's see what this is running at. 139, 126, 132, 129. I think that first one might have been right in the center, but I can tell y'all what I like about this one. It's a 3-in-1. You get 3 different types of heating, but it's also both sides. I have one that only heats one side. That feels absolutely, you know what? It's like a nice little egg in your hand. And the fact that you have 2 of them, you could use one, then give your buddy or your partner another one. But these feel absolutely great. They're a little too warm on 3, which is, you know, kind of unusual. You put them down in your pocket and you just stick your hand in your pocket, whether you're out hiking, hunting, or something like that. It'll definitely keep your hand warm. Let's just put them right back in the box. Yeah, so when you put them right back in the case, they go right into charge mode. Very handy case. I can't go on enough how much I like this case. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the Dill hand warmers. 3 mode, 3-in-1 hand warmers. See you on the next video.